whatever password you can provide, password to open and password to modify. Let's say I just want people to only have read only data, so I'll only provide password to open. If I want people to modify also with some password, then I can provide the modify password and just click on OK. So whenever the person is opening the file, password will be asked. Without password, you cannot open that file. This is one way. This is not related to Excel, but this is a general way of protecting any type of file. Okay. Now the next thing is that we need to discuss. This was just the restricting the file. Next thing is protecting the file, protecting the worksheets or cell ranges. How do we protect that? So if I go to book 2 and let's say not only book 2, let's say I am going to restrict editing part, and here whenever you right click on the sheet, okay, just right click on the name of the sheet, you will see you will have one option of protect sheet. Okay, what is that protect sheet option is just a minute. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, so we were discussing about protecting the sheet. How do we protect the sheet? So there is one inbuilt feature in Excel. What you can do, just right click on the sheet name and there will be an option of protect sheet. When you click on protect sheet, again the same thing. You can provide a password so that no other person can edit your data or can modify your data. So here, let's say I am providing a password, for example, 123, which will be easy to remember. And if you see, another option is protect worksheet and contents of logged cell. And the next thing is allow all users of this worksheet to. So here in the second box, what you are doing, you are providing the privileges of privileges to other users, what they can do in your file. So let's say by default, it is select logged cells and select unlocked cells. I have provided the password as, let's say, 123 and I have just clicked on OK. Now what will happen? Re-enter the password. I'll re-enter the password and then click on OK. If you see, I am trying to, let's say, modify some data. So here it is saying that you cannot modify this data because it is protected sheet. Let's say I want to create a new column. So here I'll just right click. You will see all the options are disabled for you, like insert, delete, clear content. All these options are disabled. I want to add a new row. I'll just right click. All the options are disabled for me. Okay, now, for example, I want to provide only the insert and delete privileges and not anything else, only insert and delete privileges. So what I'll do, I'll go back to the sheet. First, I'll unprotect the sheet with the same password 123, click on OK. I will again right click on protect sheet. And here I am providing password 123, but below privileges, I am providing insert column privilege, insert rows privilege, delete column and delete rows privilege. And now I'll click on OK. Again, provide the password, click on OK. Now, if you see, if you right click on, let's say here I am right clicking. So here we will get the data. Okay, insert and delete is not available. I'll just close this sheet and open it again. Here insert and delete is available. I think we have selected only for rows and not for columns. Let me just quickly recheck. 1, 2, 3, click on OK. Again, go protect sheet.